Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to forward messages in Google Messages. First, locate and tap the Google Messages app icon on your Android device. Then, browse through your list of conversations and tap on the one containing the message you wish to forward. Within the conversation, find the exact message you want to forward. Then, within the conversation, find the exact message you want to forward. Then, press and hold that message until it is highlighted, and additional options appear at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the three vertical dots. That's the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down, go ahead and select Forward. A new message window will appear with the selected message copied into the text field. So what you're going to do is to tap on the top field and enter the name or phone number of the contact you wish to forward the message to. If the contact doesn't appear in the suggestion, go ahead and tap on New Message and manually enter the recipient's details. Once you have selected the recipient, tap the send icon, usually a paper plane or arrow, to forward the message. If you prefer or need to forward the message differently, you can press and hold the desired message until options appear. Tap Copy, the copy icon right there. Navigate back to the main screen and tap on Start Chat, or select an existing conversation. In the message field, press and hold, then tap Paste. Tap the send icon to deliver the message. So currently, Google Messages doesn't support forwarding multiple messages simultaneously. So to forward multiple messages, you will need to forward each one individually, or use the copy and paste method for multiple messages. You can forward various types of messages, including text, images, and videos. However, ensure that the recipient's device supports the message type you're forwarding. Always be cautious when forwarding messages that contain personal or sensitive information. Ensure you have the sender's consent before sharing your messages with others. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.